Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best roll cage kit is probably one of the most crucial safety investments you can make for your vehicle, significantly enhancing its structural integrity and protecting you in the event of a rollover or collision. This comprehensive review will delve into the key features, installation process, and overall performance of various roll cage kits available on the market, helping you choose the perfect one to meet your specific needs and budget, ensuring optimal safety and performance. Number 5. Speedway Motors Roll Cage Door Bar. This swing-out door bar kit makes getting in and out of your vehicle a breeze. The quick-release pin ensures smooth and easy operation. It's constructed from high-quality billet steel for incredible strength and durability. You can count on it to withstand the rigors of racing or everyday driving. This kit is designed to fit various roll cage tubing sizes, making it compatible with a wide range of vehicles. It's adaptable to your specific needs. This door bar kit meets NHRA safety regulations, providing you with peace of mind. It's designed to enhance your safety while racing. Everything you need is included: 2 male and 2 female plugs, a quick-release pin, and all the necessary hardware. It's ready to install. Need bars for both doors? Simply order 2 kits for a complete setup. Installation is straightforward and efficient. What we like. It features a user-friendly swing-out design for easy entry and exit. Its robust billet steel construction ensures long-lasting durability. If you need a versatile option that fits various tubing sizes and meets NHRA standards, this is the one for you. What people say. The fit was great. Fit perfect and nice quality. Perfect fit. Number 4. Speedway Motors Roll Cage Door Bar. This kit makes getting in and out of your race car a breeze. The quick-release pin lets you swing the door bar out of the way. It's built from high-quality billet steel for superior strength and a perfect fit. You'll get a rattle-free, long-lasting performance. This complete kit includes everything for one door: plugs, pins, and all the hardware for easy installation. It's designed to fit various roll cage tubing sizes, making it compatible with many different vehicles. This door bar meets NHRA safety standards, providing crucial protection when installed correctly. Drive with confidence. What we like. This kit provides quick and easy access with its innovative quick-release pin. It's built to last with its robust billet steel construction. If you prioritize convenience and a complete package with all necessary hardware, this is your best choice. What people say. The fit was great. Fit perfect and nice quality. Perfect fit. Number 3. Allstar Roll Cage All 22642. This is the Allstar Performance Roll Cage, designed to significantly enhance your vehicle's performance. It's built for strength and rigidity, making it a valuable asset for any serious driver. It increases chassis rigidity, reducing flex and improving reaction times. This translates to better handling and control on the track. It's easily installed as an upgrade to existing 10-point cage kits or during new chassis construction. Its pre-bent design makes it adaptable to various applications. It boasts a 65-inch overall length with a 14-inch leg, ensuring a perfect fit. The high-quality steel construction guarantees durability and longevity. It's designed for a precise fit in your vehicle. This ensures optimal performance and safety. The package dimensions are 4.445 L x 166.37 H x 8.89 W cm. It's made of high-strength steel with a 1 to 5/8 inch OD and 0.134 inch wall thickness. What we like. This kit significantly enhances your vehicle's chassis strength and rigidity. It's designed for easy installation, whether you're upgrading an existing cage or building a new one. If you are looking for a simple way to reinforce your chassis and improve handling, this is the perfect choice. Number 2. Allstar All 99220 Component Box. This component box is a crucial part of the Allstar Deluxe Roll Cage Kit. It ensures secure and organized storage of your roll cage components. It's constructed from high-quality steel for lasting performance. This box is designed to withstand the rigors of demanding use. It's specifically designed for the ALL22099 and ALL22109 roll cage kits. This ensures a perfect fit and easy installation. Keep your roll cage components neatly organized and easily accessible. This saves you time and frustration during assembly. This essential component box completes your Allstar Deluxe roll cage kit. It's the perfect addition for a professional and secure installation. You can trust in the superior quality and craftsmanship of this component box. It's built to the same high standards as all Allstar performance products. What we like. This is a component box for a deluxe roll cage kit, ensuring all parts are organized and protected. It's made of durable steel, matching the high quality of the roll cage itself. If you own a deluxe roll cage and need a way to store and protect its components, this is a must-have. What people say was exactly what I needed. Number 1. Allstar ALL22101 roll cage. This is the Allstar ALL22101 roll cage kit. It's designed for intermediate GM vehicles and provides superior protection. It's specifically engineered for standard intermediate GM vehicles, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. This roll cage is built with high-quality materials for superior strength and durability, keeping you safe on the road. It's designed for relatively easy installation, saving you time and effort. Detailed instructions are included. This kit significantly enhances the safety of your vehicle, providing crucial protection in the event of a rollover. Allstar is committed to providing high-quality products. This roll cage is no exception, it's built to last. What we like. This is a standard roll cage kit perfect for intermediate needs and specifically designed for GM vehicles. It provides a solid foundation for safety and structural integrity. If you need a reliable and compatible roll cage for your GM car, this kit is a great option. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.